on obesity and its management. I have completed my BUMS, that is Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery from Mumbai University. Then I have completed my Certificate of Child Health, then Certificate of Gynec and Obs, then Certificate of Family Planning. I have also done SFA. I was lucky to do that because the USA delegation has come to Mumbai and they have taken this course, and this course is given only for 200 Indian doctors. Okay, so it's a skill for adolescents. Then I have also completed primary trauma care by Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, and which was recognized by WHO. I have also done HSS, that is Health, Safety and Security, by NEBOSH, USA. Now these courses are still conducted by USA in what you call is airport hotels and all, once in a year. Okay. The charges are 96,000 rupees for 10 days. I am Dr. Imtiaz Kunkari, practicing as a consultant Greek physician. For the last 25 years in Mumbai at Kurla Nursing Home, Kurla, and Sabu Siddiq Hospital near JJ Hospital, Mumbai. Unani, word Unani. I treat chronic diseases, degenerative diseases, rarely treated diseases, that is weight management, losing weight, gaining weight. I also treat piles without operation, and I do management of BPH, that is a benign prostate hypertrophy, joint pain, arrest of hair fall, pimples, diabetes, sexual weakness, kidney and gallbladder stones. I am also the managing director for Ilaj.com, which is multimodality, multi-speciality treatment of pain, and it's a 15 doctors team. Today, to begin with this scientific session, firstly I welcome you all to the most scientific talk on obesity. The open killer, I should say the open killer. Obesity, the honest killer. Obesity, the sincere killer. Obesity, the truthful killer. Obesity, the direct killer. Obesity, the unanswering killer. Obesity, constant killer. And obesity, solid killer. We don't understand obesity is a killer. Hence, I have used all these adjectives for obesity. And in fact, today's world, obesity is the third killer and diabetes is the fifth killer disease. Whom this seminar is organized for? People from all walks. Whereas, if you are boss, you are obese. You are executive, you are obese. You are businessman, you are obese. The businessmen's secretaries are also obese. Homemakers are obese. Housewives are obese. Salesmen are obese. Laborers are obese. Adolescents are obese. Children are obese. Obesity has not even spared doctor and health workers, as they are also obese today. Facts about obesity, a study had made, and it is found that 35 to 40 millions of Indians are obese. That means 4 crore. 4 crore people are obese between the age of 15 years to 75 years. 3 to 3.5 crores of Indians are, whenever you take the census, they are on diet. at any given time. कभी भी आप उसका सेंसस करो, and there are 3 crores Indians who are doing dieting. 90% of the dieters, they skip meals. Now, here I'll start explaining things, isn't it? When I say dieting, I'm doing dieting or I'm dieting, what I should do and what I'm doing. Okay, there are 2 different things. When an obese person says that I'm dieting, what he does is he skips meals, isn't it? The skipping meals has got a different name in English, which we call is fasting, not dieting. Now, to explain this group of people, if we see the basic English where it has, when I put ing to the object, it is using that particular object, okay? That is, for example, if I say I am doing cycling, that means I am using cycling. It is not skipping cycling, okay? So when I say I am dieting, I should use diet, no skipping of diet. Monotonous diet, same diet, दोपहर में भी वही, रात में भी वही, शाम में भी वही, सुबह में भी वही. This monotonous diet, they are very difficult. Monotonous diet से जो फैट बनता है उसको डिसॉल्व करना या उसको मेटाबोलाइज करना या उसको कम करना जो है, that is very difficult. Child obesity is increasing as lack of exercise. Previously we used to see children used to go to the ground and they used to play. Catching each other, running after each other, kho-kho, then what and what not. They had all ground games. Now they have got all computer games, so there is no activities. So that is probably one of the most important reason why children are obese. And of course, the junk food is also responsible. As women burns less calories, they are also obese. Now, previously women used to, when we used to stay in villages, we used to have big houses, बड़ा बड़ा घर होता था, and then cleaning the house, then getting water from well and all, that was all exercise. Oh, I remember an incident when I was in 9th or 10th, we went for Ajanta Ellora caves to see the caves, isn't it? And where people used to say that, see their imagination, how they have imagined that time, how the women can be so beautiful. I said, no. That time I said, it is not possible. Nobody can imagine this way, isn't it? ये औरतें उधर ही इतनी खूबसूरत थी, उनका फिगर वैसे ही था, उनको देखकर उन्होंने बनाया है. There is no imagination. And if you see, आज जो गांव में आप जाओगे जहां पर वेल से पानी भरा जाता है, those women are thin, they have got a beautiful figure and all. Okay. And Ajanta Ellora में भी वैसा ही फिगर बनाया. So there was no imagination, there was no thought उसको बनाया गया. They have seen original women and they have made the carving. This is child obesity. You can see how much obese a child is. Okay. What is obesity? Today we are going to discuss what is obesity, what is overweight, what is the root cause of obesity, then why do people gain weight, what are the diseases caused by obesity, what are the diseases responsible for obesity, and what should be the personal ideal weight, BMI, that is body mass index, and fat percentage. And lastly, how to manage obesity. So what is obesity? Abnormal accumulation. There cannot be normal accumulation of the fat in the body, okay? Abnormal accumulation or collection of fat up to 20% or more than 20% is called obesity. We are obsessed of losing weight. Every time an obese person sees a weight scale, wants to see his weight or her weight, but don't want to reduce. Okay. Now,